get my Brazilian wax, get my eyebrows waxed, and get my nails done and stuff. So I look plain, I don't care, cause I'm gonna get cute later, y'all already know. So I'm gonna take y'all along while he getting a wax too. Nah, I'm gonna take y'all along while I get ready for vacation because we going to Miami. You already know it's gonna be lit. So we finna get ready. We gotta go to get this stuff done. Then we gotta go to Walmart and stuff. So we got a little bit we gotta do before we start packing and stuff. So we'll take y'all along. I'll let y'all know when we get there, cause yeah. Okay, y'all, so they let me film getting my eyebrows threaded, and they wouldn't let me film getting my wax. Let me start with thread first. So this is my first time getting my eyebrows threaded. It's like a little pinch. It is not like how people like, oh, it hurts. No, it's just like a little pinch. I like them. She got them real good. But yeah, that wax, baby, I'm glad she ain't let me film it, because I know, woo, baby, I done sweated. Hold on, I'm gonna close it though. I gotta let Fema air out, baby. Woo, she pretty though. Man, who came up with waxing and why? Cause that almost took me out. I ain't gonna lie to you. By the grace of God, I did not punch that woman, cause my reflexes were, woo, they were triggering. Baby, all I could do was grab my leg and grab that wall. There right there, I hope don't nobody walk by, cause I know they gonna see something. When I say, I thought for sure she took a lip off. I had to look down. She tell me, no, lay back and relax. Now, baby, I got to see something. Cause this pain right here, you can't tell me. You ain't pull something off from down there. I'd rather shave and get all the razor bumps and ingrown hairs for forever in my life. I don't know if I'm coming back. Cause you know what they say, just keep coming back. The pain gonna get better. Your hair's not gonna grow as thick and stuff. Baby, who finna go through that again? This is not the type of beauty pain that I thought. And I know she was like, let me hurry up and get done with this, girl. My leg was shaking, I was shaking. I was calling on Jesus for real. The one from Nazareth, I was calling on him. I had to come to the car. But I know they were looking at me crazy because I was like, can I film? She was like, yes, you can film your eyebrow. But then when it was time for that wax, she was like, leave camera right here. I was like, they're telling me right there. There finna be some BS, ain't it? Hold on, let me put my leg down. Somebody coming. I don't want them to see everything. $40. If I wasn't going to Miami, you can bet your last life I would not be getting no oil wax. I'm telling you, I ain't doing it no more. But she asked me, she was like, you want me to wax the leg? No. You ain't finna have my whole body, so not me. She kept looking at my leg. Baby, you can look all day. I was gonna get them waxed. I ain't gonna lie to you, that's why I didn't shave them. I was gonna get them waxed. But after that Brazilian wax, baby, I'm finna go to the house. I'm a good day. They just fine. I'ma shave them at the house. You tell me, so no, don't shave leg. Don't shave, because shave leave bump and leave your hair grow faster with shave. I understand. But this pain, you can't tell me that y'all finna sit here and wax my whole body, cause you not. I will fight all of y'all up in here. But no cap, y'all. This wax hurt worse than labor did for me. My labor was not even this painful. Man. Ooh. I'm traumatized, low-key. But I'm glad I'm getting this out the way, cause I'll be going to Miami. But it definitely feels good though. Like, I'm 25 now. Like, I know I should be trying more things and trying different things. But yeah, I just don't know. I don't know about this wax and stuff. I'm finna sit here and try to recover and heal mentally from this experience that I just had. So, look at his facial, y'all. He laughing at me because I told him I ain't never get no wax again. Okay, so I am at the nail salon. Let me show you my nails. Nothing special. I didn't want nothing too crazy. I am a French tip, white tip type girl. And my toes, I got white. Just got white. He got clear, y'all. Look at that. Look how he look. He doing it because it's my birthday, but I love those. Like, ain't no wrong with being feminine. What? Not for real. Right now. Not for real. I guess this is it for the vlog, guys, because we about to go Buffalo Wild Wings. We about to eat. We are starving. It's like what, 6 o'clock? We've been out since like what? Dang, we've been out since 12. And we ain't ate. He cooked me breakfast this morning, but that's about all I ate. So I'm gonna end it right here. I'm not gonna show y'all my hair because I ain't gonna do that until like Wednesday anyway. So y'all will see it in the Miami vlog. But
love, peace, and hair grease, y'all.
Bye.